Sehr windig. That structure is going to blow away perhaps. Oh my gosh. I went to work on the pump and all of a sudden I got trapped in the pump house because it is raining like nobody's business. Oh my gosh. Whoa! Damn! I hope my greenhouse survives. Shit! Oh! Oh my god! Whoa! And here we are in the greenhouse. This is an unplanned aquaponics update. It is really windy outside. And you can see the pond finally got refiltered again. I had a little problem where it got drained accidentally. That's why my tomato plants look like death. But anyways, I don't think I will need a shower today. There's the duckweed RFF. And here's the auto fish feeder. I'm going to try a quick dip in the pond. Alrighty then.